And as we know that Bluetooth operates in 2.4 GHz ISM band, and our NRF24L01 module can operate in the same band, allowing us to send random signals to interface with the Bluetooth devices within its range. And we are using this high gain antennas to extend our range and to disrupt the device around it. So I am connecting all the wires. Basically this NRF24L01 needs the capacitor for uninterrupted voltage supply, and along with that we have to connect this with SPI protocol in this ESP32 microcontroller, and we have to use two NRF24L01 module for better range and better performance as well. And this is the OLED display to show all the information about the jamming status. And I'm here using this little power bank. These are the product that we need to make this project succeed. ESP32 microcontroller for the processing activities, two NRF24L01 modules, and OLED display to show the jamming status, and these two high gain antennas for extended range, and of course we need Arduino IDE to code it all. In section of the Bluetooth jammer, we have to install this RF24 library and this easy button library. Along with this we have to install this library for our OLED display, and this is the connection of STA and SCL for OLED display, and this is the connection for our NRF240L1 module. We have used two of them, and we are using two of the SPI protocol of the ESP32, and these are all the code. We have to install these three library. I will include the link of the library in my description, and the pin diagram also I will include in the description of my video. So we have to select the correct board. Now we are using Node MCU Node 32, which is ESP32 based, and we have to upload this. And after the uploading process is completed, we can run the. So now we are going to test. Here I have my Bluetooth speaker, and this is the setup using two NRF24L01 module, and here it is the OLED display. I am going to power this all setup using my small power bank. Now let me play this copyright free music, and let's see the Bluetooth jammer in the action. Let me power it. It takes few seconds as we have coded like that. Look at the Bluetooth jammer disrupts the Bluetooth signal from the computer to the Bluetooth speaker, so it is completely off. Now let me disconnect this Bluetooth jammer, and again if I start it again, it takes few seconds. Yes, now look at the Bluetooth jammer is activated. Let me disconnect it again. This is how it works.